Hello YouTubers, I ain't got much time. It looks like the battery's going to go on this. Just a quick one. This is a Bush DVD 22 inch. What happens is we turn power on, the LED comes up, and I got it on my inside there. I got it on my 12 volt rail. And what happens is you switch the TV on, and then the picture comes on. Hello YouTube, this is a Bush 22 inch DVD. The problem with the set is that it runs for a while, turn itself off and come back on again, but into standby. So what I'm going to do is to power up the set. Before I show you that, I have actually got my lead, which is in there. See if I can try and zoom in a bit. It's just on the 12 volt rail, and I want to switch the power on. So we get the 12.3 volts, the LEDs on. I'll switch the set on, and TV comes on. So that's on at the moment. Now what I'm doing is, with the back end of a brush, so there's no teaching of high voltage anywhere, I'm slowly going to touch that transformer and just watch my voltage. I'm going to tap it. That's it. Shuts down, shuts off. Shuts down, shuts off. So somewhere online there's a on that board there's a dry joint somewhere. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's going on. Well, I've had a look round, and the only thing I can see is just there. The light on it. Basically, this colorization there. I've looked at this voltage regulator, which is just there, but I want to touch them up and see what happens. Might be a little fine crack, maybe. You never know. It's a matter of hunting, as I say. But I just spotted something there on my magnifying glass, so I don't know zoom it up. Let's have a look. Where are we? There. I bet you're going to see it with like rebinding it off. Looks like it's it is started to going. Well, I'll touch it up anyway and see what happens, and let's see if it takes in whatever. Yeah. Right, let's see. Right. Right, as you can see, I can try and get in focus, but I don't think this is going to do it. So I can get that in there that way. No. The camera's not going to do it for me. What it might do now. I'm trying to get close up to that point there. Right. So that point there, if you can see where the flux is, and the pin has got no solder on it. From what I learnt in the past, is that flux eats solder anyway if it's left on too long, and that's what I reckon has happened here. But I'm cracking on with it. Does that look any better? There's no flux now around there. Let's try and get on there better. It's in here. It's not going to have it, is it? I think I'm going to zoom in that way. No. I might take a photo on it and then you can see it properly. Okay. That's done. There's no more I can see anyway. So I get a whirl and then see what she does. Right, well, I'm glad to see that she's all working. Yeah, sounds there. I don't leave the sound on because of YouTube conditions. Say no more. I've tapped around on the transformer. If I get the push right now, and put it in this. Yep, that's a good one. So that's a wrap. I'll leave it running for an hour. I always leave things running for an hour. Test all the input, SCART, HDMI and all that on the TV side, and it can go back to its happy friend called customer. Not be happy when I get my bill. No, joking, really. No. But yeah, shoddy design. But there you go. It's a bit from crappy bloody put together bloody market nowadays. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I shall put a description in model wise. I can't remember what it's called, model, because it's underneath on the back. But yeah. Right, well, thanks for watching. Any questions, by the way, just leave in the comments, and if I can help you, I will do. And if you like these videos, you know what to do. Put the thumb up. Not literally, but you know. And if not, then put a thumb down. But, I'm only doing this for people who want to get help, basically. So, right, well, that's it. Catch you on the next one. Right, back to this. She's on the stand, still working. It's been on for I don't know, an hour or so. No problems. Up and running. Model is a, let's bear 1 second, is a btvd31217s2. So that's the Bush 22-inch HD digital LCD with built-in DVD player. 52 watts. That's more than my soldering iron. Yeah, I took the disc out. Don't like that so much. That's why I use it just for testing. There you go. Well, that's it. Another happy customer, hopefully. Catch you later. Thank you, and enjoy yourself on YouTube.